Tell me honestly, how many of you have really used this sentence in your life? Saying that I will start applying for the jobs when I feel like I'm ready. I will start looking for the relationships when I feel like I'm ready. Or I will start making videos when I feel like I'm ready. Tell me honestly, how many of you have used these sentences in your life? I'm pretty much sure that most of you used these, maybe not exactly this kind of sentence, but similar ones which ends like when I feel like I'm ready, or I'll do something when I feel like I'm ready. So you might have definitely used it. But the reality of the sentence is we will never feel ready. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Anusha Kanikar. You can call me your friend, a coach, or maybe someone who can help you understand yourself better. So, you might have seen that I have not consistently showing up on this channel. I almost stopped making videos because of the same problem. Once I started to make video back to back, something in my mind started to say me that no, I am not yet ready, and let me start making videos only when I feel like I'm ready. And that one sentence stopped me entirely from making videos and posting it here. And this not only affected me here on YouTube, but also affected me on the other platforms as well. But today, here I am back again, ready to speak about the same thing that really worked for me in terms of posting, and I'm thinking of sharing the same with you all as well. So practically, when you say this sentence that I will do something when I feel like I'm ready, as I said, you're basically saying that the version who feels ready is not here in the present. She is present in the future. I don't know when that future version will come, and we are not pretty much sure. So there is a lot of uncertainty that also comes with this energy. So it's basically like for an overthinker, you can just say it's a cycle of analysis paralysis, like where you keep on analyzing and thinking that, okay, this is what I want to do, and I'll do it, I'll take action when I feel like I'm ready. Like in your mind you have clear idea about what kind of actions you need to take, what things you need to do, but still you feel that you are going to do it in the future or when you feel like you're ready. So this cycle not just impacts your thought process, it also impacts somewhere your self-worth. How it impacts your self-worth in a way where you are projecting your present self as someone who is not ready, who is not confident, who is not that version or the best version that you want it to be. So you're basically lowering the self esteem or lowering your own worth by saying that right now it's not ready and you just still need to work. But if you look at everything, the reality of this whole thing is you will only feel ready when you take actions. Unless and until you take action, you will never feel ready. Like, even for this video, this is my second time recording the same thing. For the first time, I just recorded it and it wasn't great. I used the same words again and again, the same sentences again and again. I wasn't grounded enough to really share my thoughts and share my opinions, whatever I had about this particular thing. So there were a lot of messy thoughts that just showed up when I sat and tried to shoot it. But the second time, now when I'm sitting and recording for the same thing, it's better now because I took action. I didn't just thought, I also took action. And when I kept taking action for the first time, it wasn't good. But for the second time, I'm trying to make it good by thinking about the past mistakes that I've done. And I think this is turning pretty well, not a really very bad thing, but I think this is doing good. So that's how you come out of this thing. Because even when I was planning to come back on YouTube, my mind just told me that no, Anusha, you are not yet ready. You don't have ideas with you. You still need to get lot of clarity. After 4 5 videos, you will again go into that pause mode. There were many things that my mind kept on saying, which is not wrong, which is the truth, but it is something that happened with me in the past. Right now, in my present moment, I have the power to choose to show up, even though my mind says that I'm not ready. So I think that's what brought me here. That's what made me to sit and record the last video as well, which didn't turned out well. But when I sat and saw through that video, I realized that it's okay. Those thoughts were messy. There was no clarity. But today, when I'm sitting here and recording this video, I can see there is a lot of clarity, lot of groundedness, and I think for now this is pretty much better. Good. In this process, I've also gained some confidence to show up on the camera, and I'm sure this is the same confidence I'll carry in my future videos as well, because I just didn't just sat and kept thinking about how to make videos, what to talk on videos, what kind of videos I need to keep doing, but rather I took action. I showed up in front of camera, I recorded myself, I spoke my heart, and here I am about to end this video as well. So if you feel like you need to do something when you feel ready, then, my dear, you are in a wrong place mentally. You need to come out of that, because you will never feel ready until and unless you take action. Action is ultimate. See, even to give you an example, if I just kept on thinking about making video on this particular topic as I kept scrolling through my phone, I don't think I would be able to record this video and post it here. But rather, I chose. I chose to show up in front of camera, got dressed a little bit, and here I am showing up and ready to take action, and which built some confidence in me. So, my dear, if you want to feel ready to do anything that you wish to do, then you need to learn to choose to take actions, because that is the only power that we have. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll try to be consistent with my videos here on YouTube, and we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you.